નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students. Let's start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. And that is obviously it is part 1 of standard 5th mathematics. So from today onwards we are going to start our new chapter in which we will learn multiples and factors. But let me tell you, we are going to enjoy this chapter. Why? Because there are a lot of game and activities are there. So let me tell you, we are going to enjoy this chapter. But before starting this chapter, let me ask you one question only. Do you know the tables? Tables from 2 to 20. If you don't know, then recite the table before watching this video. Okay? Every day recite the table at least 10 times so that you can do it. Okay. So let's start our new chapter. And before starting, let me tell you, second thing is that keep your textbook with you. You should be on the page number 87. You should be on the page number 87. Second thing, keep a sharpened pencil with you. Okay? Let's go to our new chapter. First of all, observe this page. Can you see a cat is there? Can you see a mouse is there? Okay, on which step cat is there? Cat is on the third step and the mouse is on the 14th step. Okay, have you observed this? Now, as I am asking you or telling you every time, first of all understand the things, questions, whatever it is. So let's start our chapter. The mouse and cat. The mouse and cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan, the mouse. Cat is hungry and Kunjan is a mouse, and the cat is trying to catch Kunjan. Kunjan is now on the 14th step. Kunjan is now on the 14th step. And it can jump 2 steps. It can jump how many steps? 2 steps at a time. It can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on 3rd step. The cat is on 3rd step and she can jump 3 steps at a time. How many steps? 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, if the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. See, total 28 steps are there. Here you can see it is a house or hole for the mouse, isn't it? So if mouse can reach at the 28th step, then it can go safely. It can get away safely. So whether the mouse can get away or not, that's what we want to find out, isn't it? So first of all, let's see on which steps the mouse will go. Remember, mouse can go only 2 steps at a time, isn't it? So if mouse is on the 14th step, isn't it? Then 14, then 2 steps, 15 and 16. So on the 16th step, mouse will go. Then after, on which step it has to go? 17 and 18. So it will be 18. Then after, 19, 20. So it is 20. Then after, 21, 22. So write down 22 over here. 22. Then after 2 steps, 23 and 24. So it is 24. Then after 2 steps, 25, 26. 26. And then after 2 steps, 27 and 28. On 28 step, there is a hole, isn't it? So, on reaching to the steps 28, the mouse can get away. Now, have you seen this is a table of 2? You know very well, 7 2s are 14 or 2 7s are 14, isn't it? Then 2 8s are 2 8s are actually 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. In the other way also we can say 11 2s are 22, 12 2s are 24, 13 2s are 26, 14 2s are 28. So these all are table and you must know the table, okay, from 2 to 28. So these are the steps on which mouse will go and only 28 step it will get away. But let's see whether the cane will be able to catch the mouse or not. Let's see. See, cat will jump. Cat can jump 3 steps at a time, isn't it? So, if the cat is on the 3rd step, isn't it? So, it is on the 3rd step. Now, it can go 3 steps at a time. So, the next 3rd step will be 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So, here it will be 6. This 3rd step will be step. Then the 3rd step, that is 7, 8, 9, isn't it? So the next 3rd step will be 9. The next 3rd step will be 9, 10, 11, 12. So next will be 12. Then after, the next will be 13, 14, 15. So it is 15. The next will be 16, 17, 18. So here it should be 18. Then after 19, 20, 21. So 21. Then after 22, 23, 24. So here it should be 24. Now let's see. See whether it is a table of 3 or not. Yeah, it is a table of 3. 3 1 are 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. And 3 8 are 24. So once again it is a table of 3. Okay. But what we want to see? See, when the mouse was on the 14th step, at that time the cat was on the 3rd step. Now, our question, next question, the step on which both cat and the mouse jump. See, can you see the similarities of the step number 6? Can you see on the step 18 and on the step 18? So one of the step is 18, on which both mouse and cat both jump. So one of the step is 18. Then can you see 24 over here? And other step over here there is a 24. So both mouse and cat both jump on 24. So other step is 24. But our question is what? Can the mouse get away? माउस बच जाएगा कि नहीं, वो हमें सोचना है. लेट्स सी, जब माउस 14 स्टेप पे था तब ये कैट कौन से स्टेप पे आया? 3rd स्टेप पे. जब माउस 16 स्टेप पे था तब ये कैट कौन से स्टेप पे आया? 6. जब वो 18 पे था तब कैट कौन से स्टेप पे आया? 9. जब वो 20 पर था कैट कौन से स्टेप पे आया? 12. जब वो 22nd पर आया कैट कम ऑन दी 15th step, isn't it? Now when it come on the 24th was on the 18th step. वो जल्दी नहीं आ रहा है. See, when the mouse was on the 26th step, cat was on the 21st step. अब थोड़ा ही दूर है. Now when mouse reached on the 20th step, at that time cat was on the 24th step. लेकिन 20th step पे तो वो होल आ गया, उसका हाउस आ गया. तो क्या हुआ? हाउस अंदर चला गया. Isn't it? So with this we can say that cat cannot catch the mouse, or we can say mouse will get away. Why? Because when mouse reaches on the 20th step, at the same time cat was on the 24th step, so it cannot catch the mouse, and hence we can say mouse will get away very safely. Isn't it? So with this, I hope you must have understood this exercise or this game of cat and mouse. Okay. Now the another question is also there. Find out. Is it possible for you to find out with yourself? Okay. Do one thing. Do it with yourself. Find out, or else we will perform this game, or we will find out in the next part. Okay. Till then, do try it with yourself. Try to understand and remember well. Complete the tables from 2 to 20, and every day recite the table at least 5 times. And if you don't know the tables, then recite the table 10 times. Okay. We'll meet you in the second part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.